The only guy in the stadium that day that knew it was out. Frank Viola pitching for the Minnesota Twins, and that's a base hit inside the third base line. Down into the corner. One run is in. Gyorko on his way to second. They'll wave in another. Jedd Gyorko with a double that scores 2.
It was beyond our sight lines, but that left fielder had to have a lot of trouble trying to get that ball back in. Like it took forever to get the ball back. But line drive over the head down in the left field corner. Washington will come around.
So Wisdom, Pham, Piscotty, Rodriguez, and Washington all have scored for the Cardinals in a big bottom of 5.